Thank you for tuning in. I'm Andrea from JingerPips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super delicious, healthy salad dressing. Now this dressing will only take you 5 minutes to make and only contain 4 ingredients, each of which pack quite a punch in terms of health benefits on the body. The first ingredients in this salad dressing is olive oil. I would always go for the extra virgin olive oil purely because this has the most health benefits to you. It's the oil which comes out from the first pressing of the olive. The second ingredient in your salad dressing is apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar has a powerful antibacterial action on the body, so it can keep you healthy like that. It's also had loads of studies done on it. It's been shown to lower blood sugar, and studies also indicate it can lower cholesterol and also reduce other heart disease risk factors as well. Now when you're looking for your apple cider vinegar, what you need to look for is organic apple cider vinegar with the mother in it as well. This is what makes it slightly cloudy, and it's actually believed that most of the health properties of apple cider vinegar come from this cloudy sediment which is called the mother. The third ingredient in this super simple dressing is ginger. Now ginger is one of my favourite things. It's quite potent, delivers quite a kick, and it's actually quite invigorating. It has really powerful anti-inflammatory properties for the body, which is really important because most diseases and illnesses actually stem from too much inflammation in the body, so this stuff is really good. The final ingredient is pineapple. Now pineapple is rich in vitamins, enzymes and also antioxidants as well, and due to a compound in them called bromelain, they also have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect on the body as well. So how do we go about making the salad dressing? What equipment do we need? Firstly, we need a high-powered blender or a food processor. We need a chopping board, measuring spoon and a clean jar to put our salad dressing in. So let's crack on with actually making it. Firstly, for this recipe, measure out 5 tablespoons of olive oil and 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and pop them in your jug. So I'm just going to do that. Make sure you shake up the apple cider vinegar so you get a little bit of that mother in it. I think that's 5, I might have lost count. Now for the ginger, some people really love the taste of ginger, others don't. Again, this recipe can be, you can put more in or less in as you want. I generally, put in about that much, about 1 centimetre width worth. To help the blender, I chop it into tiny little bits as well. Pop that in. Now I've chopped some pineapple already. It's about a centimetre slice of pineapple. Just pop that in as well. And then simply blend it up. And then when you've finished, simply decant it into your glass jar. This will last about 5 days in your refrigerator, so enjoy. Guess what we're having for tea? Thank you for tuning in. If you would like to see more of these videos, you can subscribe to this channel. If you want to be notified when another video comes out, please press the big red bell button, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!